Time now for Weather Watch, brought to you by Ag Risk Advisors and WSR Insurance.
Welcome to the Weather Watch. Matt Makens here. I hope it finds you doing well today. Let's chat more on La Niña. Over the last several weather watches, we've talked kind of theoretically about La Niña going away, but now we can actually apply some visuals to seeing that area of ocean beginning to warm up. So I'll show you that first off, and then how it applies to March. What can you expect in March in terms of temperatures and precipitation? So again, as you look at sea surface temperatures across the globe, where they're warmer or colder than average dictates where the storms are. A hot ocean provides energy to the atmosphere, and that's where you have storminess. We've had colder than normal conditions here. These black boxes, that's where we look for La Niña or El Nino. Of course, we've been in La Niña, which is colder. And that takes away storms from this part of the equator, which then downstream takes away storms elsewhere, like around North America. So our drought increases when we have La Niña. So that's the region we're going to be watching. Now we actually have a visual to apply to this weakening of La Niña. So let's do that now. If we look at La Niña as it is right now, the past week is right in here. And as I go back 4 weeks, I'll go week number 1 is right now, and then let's go back for 4 weeks. And you're going to see this area of ocean in here beat into the deeper blues over the past 4 weeks. And this area of reds, as we come back closer to forward in time, is increasing. So we've finally begun to see some visual changes in the ocean conditions. So we're starting to warm things up there in the equatorial Pacific, and that means La Niña is fading away. For March through May, your spring, likely a neutral phase. How does this play out for March, say? So if you look at March, and how it plays out historically and what may be coming through, we'll classically get cold conditions off to the west coast and mild for the plains and off to the east. This year's a little different because we have so much snowpack and ice on some of the northern plains. So I've adjusted that March forecast a bit. Still cold for the west, colder than normal there, but moderated the temperatures, in some cases cooler than normal across the plains due to that snowpack being on the ground. Let's take a look at precipitation. And I think the Northwest in pockets will still have some moisture. California in some areas will still carry quite a bit of moisture for March. Some of the central and southern plains may catch some water as well. But the driest area is likely the farther south and west that you can go. South Texas, southern Florida, likely the driest areas. That's this week's Weather Watch. I hope it finds you well. We'll see you the next time.
Weather Watch is brought to you by Ag Risk Advisors, with you no matter the weather. And by WSR Insurance, providing insurance solutions for more than a century. Visit their websites for more details.